I entered this competition because I believe that this year I am supposed to get some experience from the pageant, some growing experience, and I want to inspire persons to put their mind to something and to achieve as much as they can.
I'm Quella Cole, contestant number 2 in the Miss Jamaica World Pageant, and my sponsor is Intranet Solutions.
The experience is going great so far. I'm very excited for the journey ahead, and I'm, ready to prepare and put everything in for it in full force.
Enjoying the moment, just capturing and absorbing every minute of it, and the atmosphere is wonderful and I'm enjoying it.
The beautiful parish of St. Mary.
Tell me something about St. Mary that most Jamaicans don't know.
Wow. It produces beautiful women.
It's been a lovely experience so far, up and down, but that's part of the competition. You have to be up and on your feet every day. Yeah, it's a good experience so far.
So much to begin from the journey, from the process. I'm here to learn, here to help others, here to inspire, here to rep my Jamaica.
It's been really good. I have the support of my girls, and I just want to help, and I want to be able to motivate others and just do my best to be a best ambassador for Jamaica.
I do believe this is my year, and I believe that entering a pageant like this would open the opportunity and also give me the ability to help persons who are in need, unfortunate, and so on.
It's really good. I like the girls, I like the experience. I'm really looking forward to personal growth mostly, so yeah, it's really fun.
It's the pageant to inspire young girls, especially girls from the rural area like myself, to not be limited by where they're located and what people think.
Here I want to be a lot more honest and transparent. I am the daughter of Jamaican immigrants, and it has been an honor just to know my culture and know my roots. And this is the country I want to represent. This is deep in my heart, and I want to make my family proud, make my country proud, because this is the land I love.
Best experience that I've ever been through. Trust me, it's an awesome experience. I would encourage any young woman who has the feeling that she wants to enter this pageant to do so. It was always my dream to enter this pageant as well.
I entered the pageant this year because I believe it's something that I need to fulfill, that students and young individuals, youths, should get an education. I believe in education because that is one thing nobody can take away from you. So I'm an advocate for education.
So good. I mean, the pressure is on the head, but for sure I'm very excited. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I'm very patriotic. The Miss Jamaica World organization provides a platform for you to promote things that you're extremely passionate about. I'm culture, I'm tourism, and I'm Jamaica, so I'm looking forward to celebrating and promoting that during my experience in the pageant.
In commemoration of its 125th anniversary this year, Brunswick is on the move. Our latest stop was in Portmore. Let's hear what customers have to say about Brunswick.
This is my favorite product. I've been using Brunswick all my life. I enjoy the taste, the flavor, so I continue purchasing it.
I understand you bought some Brunswick products today. Why you bought them?
Because the quality of the product is good. I always use them and I have no regret using them.
Which of the products in the Brunswick line do you normally purchase and why?
The Brunswick tuna, flake in water.
What do you like most about Brunswick?
The quality is consistent and it has a wide variety of products actually. Very healthy, a meal in a can.
How often you normally buy Brunswick?
I actually shop for the month. That would be like about a dozen tins of sardines. Also the tuna, the Brunswick tuna. Yeah, that's pretty much me.
Price is economical. It's easy to prepare. Very convenient in the morning. Quickly you get it, you prepare it and you're on the go. Less time in the kitchen.
And how important is a brand like Brunswick in your household? Because it's been around for so long, it must have some importance in your household.
Yes, it's a well-known brand and the quality is good, right? So I always choose it. And as I said, the price is right.
To be honest with you, from a child, I love Brunswick sardine. I was weighing 250 pounds and I decided to do a weight loss. And I started eating Brunswick sardine and crackers, and trust me, I lost 68 pounds.
Wow, amazing. How long have you been having Brunswick though?
From a child, I'm 53 now, and from a child, I've been eating Brunswick. That's the best sardine. I don't know any other sardine apart from Brunswick. When I saw this sign a while ago, I said, come on, what is happening here? I need to get over it. Just give me 3 tins. I didn't even know what it was. Just give me 3 tins.
Tell you, as you can see right here, it's really good. You actually should get some of this Brunswick. This Brunswick actually tastes like heaven.
I didn't realize that Brunswick makes mackerel now, so I decided to try it, and it really does taste good. Instead of tasting a whole lot of tomato, you do get the flavor and you get a lot of meat in it, so I really like it.
Delicious. I'm enjoying it.
Your first time having tuna from Brunswick?
No, sir. I buy it a lot.
What about sardine and mackerel?
I always buy the Brunswick sardine. Yeah, from my growing up, I say Brunswick sardine, and it's nice.
I know you're an adult, but tell me though, in your household, how important is a brand like Brunswick?
It is good. It's a good brand. Get the very best. Brunswick with mayonnaise. The sardines is very nice. Even the tuna, it is nice with the mayonnaise and the tough crackers.
Love of sardine with anything. She loves tuna.
Yeah. What's your favorite way of preparing sardine at home?
I do it with everything, crackers or plain rice, anything. Just eat it by itself with tomato, vegetable, anything.
And it's years you've been buying Brunswick sardine?
Yes.
Everybody buys it.
Yeah.
But why have you been a loyal customer? Why have you been so dedicated?
It tastes better. The Brunswick tastes better to me. Yeah, Brunswick in oil.
Not a lot of tuna once, but then I get to like it because I fix it with my mayonnaise and cut up onion and all these things in it, and it's nice for sandwich.
Brunswick over the years has been my favorite sardine, and always buy it, but I never use it in that way with the pickle and so on, so I find it to be very nourishing and very nice. And I just think in terms of health value at this point in time, and I just encourage people to come utilize the Brunswick and enjoy it because it's very, very nice. Sometimes I used to take my omega pill every day. When I am unable to take it, I just eat a Brunswick and I substitute it. My wife enjoyed the tuna, so she eat the tuna, I eat the sardine. So we balance.
And you were recently introduced to the Brunswick mackerel?
Right, at another supermarket, and I find it very nice.
All right.
Nutritional value, is key.
Sampling the Brunswick sardine earlier on, tell me what you thought about it.
It's nutritious, it's tasty. I just love it since I was a child. My parents always buying it, and as an adult growing up, I never depart from the tradition. I call it my traditional item on the shelf. I just love it. Sumptuous, tasty, and the works. I just love it.
How important is a brand like Brunswick to your household?
Extremely important, because I think about affordability and price, and the value that it has to me and my family. Oh, the pink salmon, I'm going to try that one.
Okay.
Yes.
Final question, 'cause I know you're rushing to finish your shopping. Your favorite way of preparing the Brunswick sardine?
Okay, first I remove the little skeleton part from the sardine, and then I put my little pepper, cut up my pepper, and my onion. I love it with onion, and little spice that I have at home. I'll just pour it on it, and I also sometimes I use a ketchup. I just put the ketchup in it, and I'm good to go.
Sampling the Brunswick mackerel, what you thought about it?
And I think this one is the best so far.
From the mackerel, what else in Brunswick do you normally buy?
Sardines and tuna. Yeah. And the tuna has been great so far. I even use it for parties and stuff like that. And it tastes good.
I see you here inside June sampling the Brunswick mackerel. I need to hear what you thought about it.
Well, I think it is good, really nice. At first when I try it and I would buy it, it tastes really nice.
And I also saw that you have some Brunswick sardine in your cart.
Love it, love it, love it, love it. The other brands can't come to the Brunswick.
I've been eating Brunswick for over years. Brunswick sardine. Now, it's the first I'm going to try this one, so I'm going to buy 3 right now. Take it home.
How important is a brand like Brunswick in your household?
Very, very important. My kids grow up eating Brunswick. And we are still eating Brunswick. I've been to America, and I go to America and I buy Brunswick same way.
Excellent. We're getting a lot of feedback from the customer. They seem to love the products, especially the tuna with corn, with the Eve spaghetti, and also the Brunswick mackerel with the Spanish rice. So we've been in all over. We made a stop in Spanish Town, and now we're actually in 10 locations in Portmore. We're celebrating 125 years of Brunswick actually being in Jamaica. So this is a way of showing our appreciation to our customers and our consumers. So this is a chance to actually relate back to them, give it back to them, and also tell them thanks for supporting us.
We're on to our third commercial break, and when we get back, we have so much in store for you. Don't move.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink out, we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopers. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk with the own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we be Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a start. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge.